A national obsession and much more than a sport, football in Brazil is a way of life. From collective triumph to despair, it's a game that taps into the spirit of an entire nation, with its influence experienced in every city and on every street. The Beautiful Game in Brazil, photography by Christopher Pillitz, is a newly released book dedicated just to that. Anticipating the 2014 FIFA World Cup, the book aims to capture the essence of Brazilian culture as the world sees it, and how Brazilians see themselves, with football being in the center. Having photographed football in Brazil for 2 decades now, no one understands the country's passion for the sport better than photographer Christopher Pillitz.
Football means to Brazilians what cuisine means to the French and what art is to the Italians. It's a matter of sort of life and death. It's art it's art with a ball for Brazilians.
The book captures every angle of the sport, the players and the fans of what they refer to as the most beautiful game on earth. From Brazil's paradise beaches to its urban landscape and poverty-struck neighborhoods, from streets to rooftops to monasteries, Pillitz reveals the sport as the country's main religion. Bold, bright, and rich in color, his photographs show players of every age and creed.
For me, the project really was about culture. It's not just about football, but really it's about Brazilian life, and it's about Brazilian behavior, and it's about Brazilians' obsession with the game.
Pillitz shows different dimensions of the game influencing Brazilian life: the wild excitement of the fans, the festivities around the game that often include samba and capoeira, and even a more gentle side of the game, the many female fans who enjoy the sport just as much as their male counterparts. The Beautiful Game in Brazil, released in anticipation of the World Cup, takes the readers on a journey that allows new and seasoned fans to understand what football truly represents to the people of Brazil.